I should be running straight up the middle.
Okay, I'll let you lead, you can teach me.
Yeah, blue team are ready.
Still out with the call sign, team deathmatch to 80 lives, 8-0, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1, go!
Dark in there, is it? Or just me? Is there anything behind us, Mark, or are we good that way?
No, we're behind us, this is good, that's all right.
Okay.
This is arch 3, there's a red room, and say you've got the middle arch, which is 2, and then the far arch is number 1.
So this is like our corner?
Huh?
Unlucky, Sam! I mean, that was Sam. Another. Again?
The layout a bit. I'll say this is room.
Jeff, move left! One left!
And then you've got another arch over the other side. Same side to this side. Hit.
Go for one rifle, mate. Dead man walking! Ready? Good job, mate. Learning the map is all good, isn't it? Oh, sorry.
Stand behind the
Is that perspex?
Yeah.
Okay. Hit!
Oh, sorry.
Two. So many victories. Gonna try and look around a sec. Hit.
When he went off, and it kind of slid. I was like, I don't
Oh,
know
no.
if that was, if it went off there, or like in front of me. I don't know. But I'll take it.
How many? How many?
One on the left of the tyres.
Good job, 1 for 1. No, or not.
Good push.
Hey then.
This is their limit. 45 players is their limit.
Yeah.
Any more than that, it just comes unplayable. You see what I mean about the archers?
Yeah.
Have you tried archway 1?
No, I've been going there to get to the red room. What's this time? Learn it.
You got this bit,
Yeah.
power there, and then you've got this little room here, comms, and then in front of you you've got the arch for 1.
So they're just here then. Got you.
He's gone there. Yeah, go back, you go.
Good job. Hit. Right, no more.
Go.
1, 2, 3. There we go.
You're done.
That red room's important, isn't it? Because you can cross it up once you push in there.
Yeah, if you go, you can go in and then you can go straight off to the other side and then through.
Yeah.
So's 1. If you can get through 1, you're cutting across the other side from them.
Yeah. I'll try to go back to red room again and. Yeah. I think they're pushing here.
Yeah, now we've got a little hidey hole.
Okay.
That used to be the old training room. Right, so things like this you can shoot through.
Yeah.
It's got the greener on, but
Okay. They're just here, aren't they?
really fun.
Make a space. What's it looking like? You were hit, you were hit. Mate! You were hit. You were hit, mate. No.
You ran across.
See.
Left to the side.
Yeah.
Go on, buddy, go.
Cheers. No, isn't it? The thing is, there's a gap just there, so they can see when you're poking out. There's a little gap in there. Hey! Game! Take midpoint and I'll take... There's 3 ways in. You want to do that? I'll cover this side so you don't get it in the back. Or one of it, yeah. I'll shout out a hit, or one of us will shout out a hit quite loud, and then you know to look both ways. Cool. I'm happy to get shot first and see how it goes. Has it started? I didn't realise it started. Good job, hit!
Hey.
Unlucky, Sam. Oh, come in! They're coming! Alright, they're coming. Oh, nice. 2. Nice job, mate. Hit. All right. How's it looking, Mark? Green barrel, is it?
I wouldn't go any further. I'd stay there with 99.
Oh. Oh. Missed. Good job. Hit. Dead man walking.